The Italian-produced aiming device for the M1 rifle is an instructional aid that allows a marksmanship coach to positively check a student's sight picture during preparatory marksmanship training and range practice. It is comprised of bent sheet metal with a fixed piece of semi-mirrored glass. To install, pull out on the metal loops and place the device over the rear of the receiver behind the rear sight with the open glass side to the right of the rifle. To remove, pull out on the metal loops and lift the device off the rifle. Care should be taken during installation and removal to not drag the aiming device on the rifle, as this may mar the stock. As the coach looks into the aiming device, he sees, reflected on the glass, an image of the sight picture as the rifleman sees it. This allows the coach to check the students who do not hold their breath properly, and it enables him to help the inexperienced rifleman to obtain the correct sight picture. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Then let us know what you thought or would like to see with a comment. If you would like to support the channel, a link to our Patreon page is in the description. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.